It's been about 80 degrees for the past couple days. It's really hot. So today I'm gonna give a quick tip for the new beginners. I see some questions that people want to know when is the right time to harvest your cucumbers, or how how to tell when your cucumbers is ready, how it looks when it's overripe. If your cucumbers are yellow and they're turning yellow, it's way overripe. It's gonna be sour. The skin is gonna be sour. The cucumbers inside might as be sour sometimes. That I experienced that from personally. If it's dark green, really dark green and small, wait a little bit. It's not ready yet. I think it takes about at least it could be anywhere from 7 to 10 weeks for harvesting. Look here, we got one of this guy right here. So looking at this cucumber right here, you could see the tip. That's right there. You see the tip, how it's starting getting light green coming up. You do not want to leave it too long, because once this is light green, this is perfect time for picking this cucumber. It's dark green on the top, but on the bottom is white. It's a lighter white green. We're gonna pick this now. It doesn't matter about the size and anything like that. So it all depends on, it takes about a couple weeks to grow, and it all depends on the bottom. Show you guys how to harvest your cucumber without hurting your plant, without ruining anything or destroying it. So basically, guys, I'm telling you, now we got our main stem coming here. We got another leaf here. So what are we gonna do, guys? You want to get a sharp scissors or pruner, and you come all the way to the tip. You do not want to hurt your stem or anything, and you quickly cut it. One cut. You should not be cutting like over and over and yanking the plant and do all that. If you feel you're gonna yank the plant, hold one hand here, hold the stem with one hand, your left hand, and then hold the cucumber with your right hand, and then cut it. So you're not moving your plant, shaking your plant or anything. So what I do, guys, most of the cucumbers are spiked. That's normal. That's just protecting them. They protect themselves against like insects and all that stuff. This is the top. This is the part that holds on to the plant. This is the bottom piece. As you guys see, the bottom piece is light green. Light green means it's perfect. Even if it gets a light white tip, the white tip is good too, but don't make it white all the way up top, guys. So you see how it's already getting white here? Could even pick this yesterday. It would be fine. But if I leave this now you guys see from the back, if I leave this for another 2 to 3 days now, it wouldn't have been a good choice, because it would get more white, and then it start getting bigger seeds inside, and the taste and the flavor, it gets a little sour. It doesn't taste that juicy. So when it's young and it's green from the top, but a little light green from the bottom. Is delicious. So guys, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna find another cucumber to show you guys. So I found another one. So these guys have a lot of spikes, so I had to take out all the spikes. So guys, don't grab your cucumbers if they're on the plant. Don't grab it like this. It will get you some spikes. I was using the gloves to just like get the spikes off. So this one right here, guys, you could see it's a little bit of yellow. Once it started getting yellow like this, it's getting ripe, and you could see the white. So this is over pick. This should have been picked a couple days ago. Unfortunately, guys, if you look around, I really got to prune some more here. I swear to God, stuff is just growing overnight, and it's out of control. All right, guys, so I just walked around and I picked about 10. Not yesterday, the day before, I picked 21. And then the other time I pick about 20 something again. But I could show you guys, I do have a lot more coming around the garden. Straight underneath there, I do have a lot of cucumbers coming around, guys. But a very important tip, guys, when you see like this one here, see that, guys? I picked a bunch of different kinds, so I'll let you know. This one is small, but as you see, starting getting yellow. You still got to pick it. It's getting yellow on this side, but this side is green. Pick it. This one here is a lot yellow, and you can see it's lighter green with a lot yellow. This is should have been picked a long time ago. The idea of harvesting a cucumber at the time, it's like when it's green coming down, and then you barely have like a white tip with coming up from the bottom. Lighter green with a white tip coming up from the bottom, going up, and there's a dark green pickle. This is when Guys, I'm telling you, I test this out myself, so I could tell you, this is a delicious. This here is, oh my god, delicious. So you could eat it, you know, eat it regular, salt, some hot peppers inside, or you could make pickles with them, or you could just give your neighbors, or if you have a pet pig like me too, you could give your pet pigs. So how and when to harvest your cucumbers, how to know when the right time. So the right time, 7 to 10 weeks, that's the average time. Depends on the weather you have hot weather, it's going to grow faster. A little yellow stripe coming up from the bottom, light stripe to dark green is the best pick. This one here right now I think is my best pick because of the yellow stripes. I'm telling you, these guys are perfect for pick. Do not let them get more yellow. If you get more yellow, it's no good. It tastes sour and it's not going to be that good, guys. The reason why you should harvest your cucumber right away on point, because it trains the plant. It helps the plant to produce more. It tells the plant all the veggies are picked, time to produce more. Let's make more. The more longer you leave your cucumber, your plant is going to take a longer time to produce. Sorry guys, hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was helpful guys, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. 100% free guys, and stay tuned for more video from GreenTGarden. Thank you guys for watching.